Hi guys, today we're going to do a quick and easy side bun. First of all, we're going to start with 2 ponytails, and then all we're going to do is loosely wrap them around each other to create a loose twist, and then secure the end of this with a clear elastic band. Next, take that twist over to the left hand side and bring it up and over that top elastic band. Use your hand to hold this to the head and just secure around the top of it with a few bobby pins, just to secure. Now really pull that twist behind the left ear so it sits closely to the head and just secure with a few more bobby pins. Remove the elastic band from the end of the twist. Now just bring that tail end down and tuck it under that bottom elastic band and secure with another couple of bobby pins. Use your fingers to spread out that section so it matches the rest of the hair, and if you have any tail ends left over, just bring these up and under the bun that we've already made, and again secure with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that simple. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.